A society is organizing a function on the World Senior Citizens Day to show their respect for the elders in the society. Ratna and her friends have volunteered to help in organizing the function. Okay. Now the community hall in the society has a capacity of 2704 seats. If the kids have been asked to arrange the seats such that number of rows is equals to the number of seats in each row, then find the number of seats in each row. Okay. First this question we will understand just for the rough calculation, then we will find out the like a number of rows or number of seats in each row. Okay, first in the question they have clearly mentioned that numbers of, I mean how many numbers of rows are there, that numbers of seats only it should be there in each row. For example, if there is a number of rows are 1 2 3, okay, if it is 3, it means 3 numbers of seat should be there in a one row. Like here 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Now see, I just count here, it will, we will get 9 numbers of seats. Okay, so what we can do, another thing, shortcut here, at one side number of seats are 3 and what one side number of seats are 3, so 3 3s also we will get 9. So we will do one more thing, we will take the help of number 16. So 16 square root is what, 4. So what I will do, I'll arrange 4 rows. Now in each row how many seats should be there, 4, right, according to the question. Now let me arrange the 4 seats in each row. Now see here, it's become, now total number of seats how many, that is 6. At one side 4 and at another side is 4. 4 into 4, 16. And how it is looking now, it's looking like a square pattern, right? So in that question also we are having total 2704 seats. Now for this also we need to find the square root. Okay, and I'm choosing here short division method. Okay, so we have first pair is, that is 27. Now let me take 5 perfect square nearest to that. 5 5 is a 25. 7 minus 5 is left with a 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Let me take this 0 4 down. 5 plus 5 I'll get 10. Okay, here I'm going to take the number 2. Same number we need to write here. Now 2 2 is a 4. 2 0 is a 0. 2 1 is a 2. Okay, the remainder we got 0 0. It means square root of 2704 equals to 52. So we have to arrange the 52 rows. Okay, and in each rows there should be 52 seats. So obviously finally it will looks like a square pattern. Okay.